Tonight we were out at EN Hobbies in Columbus, Ohio for a BuckeyeFPV event. This was just a fun fly, so there was nothing on the line and it was all about having fun. The venue features plenty of room for the pilots in the pits, and they provide tables, chairs, and power outlets galore. They even had a couple of projectors projecting the live stats pages, as well as the pilots who are currently racing. The track was mostly over an RC dirt track, but the back part of the track featured going into a back room, down a hallway, up the stairs, a hairpin right turn, and then a 90-degree turn shooting out the back window to fall down into an over-under gate. The window, due to an overhead light hanging right in front of it, was definitely the monster that claimed the most quads. We were running heats of tiny whoops and 2.5-inch micros divided on 2 and 3S batteries, and I ended up taking top qualifier with 6 laps in the 220s, I believe. Here was that run.
Too soon to act on it, can we ever be? That all depends on what you're feeling from me. Let me show you all the way. Let me show you all the ways. Oh, let me show you all the ways. Yeah, let me show you all the ways. Taken by the words that you say, the voice that carries them has kept me astray. Too soon to act on it, can we ever be? That all depends on what you're feeling from me. Let me show you all the way.